you can be in two different countries at the same time. This is a nice and beautiful city in France. We're gonna spend the whole day here. We're gonna eat some Lebanese food. Les Jardins des Deux Rives. You are in one side in France and the other side you are in Germany, and the small streets of La Petite France.
Hello everyone, new days, new video. Welcome to our video.
Oh my god, wow. نعم. ما الذي يزعج منا؟
وش انا ذيك نعم ترى تصورات. اللونجلي.
What's going on, guys? New day, new video, and welcome to Strasbourg.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love.
As you can see, guys, we are now in Strasbourg. This is a nice and beautiful city in France. We're gonna spend the whole day here. Now we are walking in the old city, and then we're gonna go to get some lunch, and we're gonna head to the La Petite France. It's a nice and a beautiful place here in Strasbourg. We're gonna see the old city and some nice places, so stay tuned and enjoy this video. D'accord.
Et ça c'est pour vous. Merci bien. Ça c'est pour vous. Merci beaucoup.
Merci. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Au revoir. And here we are, guys. Now we are at a local, our Lebanese local. We're gonna eat some Lebanese food. I'm gonna show you in a second when it's done. So stay tuned for it. See you later.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go.
And here we are, guys. Now we are in French, Les Jardins des Deux Rives. This garden is a special garden because you are in one side in France and the other side when you walk through the bridge, and the other side you are in Germany. So I'm gonna show you why this is a special place, because you can be in two different countries at the same time. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you right now how it looks like. So as you can see, guys, this is the beginning of this bridge. We are now in the French side and we are walking to the bridge, or to the other side, to Germany, only if we walk through this bridge. This is crazy. And look how beautiful this garden is. You have a lot of space for kids or families to do whatever activities they want, and you have this beautiful view, of course, and you can enjoy your time in here. So now we are walking, as you can see, all of us. And we are lucky, of course, today because the weather is really, really nice. It's sunny. And of course, if you are visiting Strasbourg, you need to come to this garden or to this bridge, because it is a nice feeling that you can have traveling between two countries only in 5 minutes when you walk to the other side from this bridge. So the side you are watching right now, this is the Germany side, and this side behind me is the France side. So we are still walking. Now we are close to the German side from the bridge, and we will be officially in another country. Imagine that, guys. Imagine being in two countries at the same time. It's really crazy. The more we get closer to the German side, the more we get familiar with it, because we are living in Germany and we are feeling that we are back home. This is not normal, because behind me it's France and here we are in Germany. and we are officially, guys, in Germany. Now I can speak my language, but behind this bridge you are in France, you should speak French. This is crazy. This is really crazy. I'm gonna show you some signs. I think there is a sign here where it stands that you are now in Germany. Yes, as you can see, guys, now we are in the city of Kiel, and this is in Germany. Now we are walking in Germany. This is a crazy feeling. Yeah.
When you dream, do you see beautiful rays of light shimmering, guiding you through the night? I know it feels like the night's getting longer and light is harder to find. I promise I'll always be there, I'll remind you when you close your eyes. If they said for me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing whenever in doubt, you can find me when the lights turn out. When the lights turn out.
And that was it, guys. Now we are leaving the German side again. We are going back to the French side where we're gonna enjoy the rest of our day. And I'm gonna show you a nice, beautiful place. It's called La Petite France here in Strasbourg. You will love it, of course, so stay tuned. It's an old city corner from Strasbourg. Has a nice old vintage homes here in Strasbourg. You're gonna love it, so stay tuned until we are there, and I'm gonna show you the rest of this vlog. Peace.
I can see you and me like it was yesterday. I know it's not the same, but I'm still behind you every step of the way. Look in yourself and I'll be there, I can guide you. All the love is the same. If they said for me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing.
And here we are, guys. Now we are walking in the small streets of La Petite France. It's really awesome here. There is a lot of water, a lot of bridges, small bridges. I'm gonna show you the beautiful places you can visit in here. So stay tuned and enjoy it.
I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. Got nothing to hide. Got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to
As you can see, guys, this is a nice and beautiful place. You can chill here, you can stand and watch the beautiful views. You have the water in here, you have the old houses, and of course you can enjoy. There's a lot of restaurants, and of course the weather is so beautiful today, and we are enjoying it. So chill.
I got nothing to hide. with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh, baby, I don't need love me. Hey, hey. 'Cause the love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah,